close your eyes, cause you really don't care. If I could find a cure for this, I don't want ever. You can have